Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by adding Apple Cash to Wallet. Open Wallet and tap the plus button, then choose Apple Cash. You need your Apple ID signed in, device passcode, and two-factor authentication enabled so the card links securely. If identity verification appears, follow the prompts. Enter the last four of your SSN and take a photo when asked. This proves you're the account owner. Once done, the card appears in Wallet and is ready to fund. You fund Apple Cash by tapping the card in Wallet and selecting Add Money. Pick an amount and a linked debit card or bank account, then confirm with Face ID or passcode. Once funded, you can use Apple Pay in stores, send money in iMessage, or transfer funds to a bank. Make sure to set your default payment card and enable automatic transfers if you prefer moving balances to a bank to avoid holding large amounts on the card. You finish by regularly managing your balance and transfers. Tap Apple Cash, choose Transfer to Bank, then select Instant, Small Fee, or 3 business days, no fee. Monitor transaction history and set reload preferences to control spending. If something goes wrong, failed ads, pending verifications, first sign out and back into your Apple ID, update iOS, and reboot the device. If issues persist, contact Apple support. They can check limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.